everyone. Hi, Pinecone. Look who it is, it's Pinecone. Oh, Pinecone. So, good afternoon, everyone. I thought I would just periscope quickly today. I just pulled in on the road in my car. Hello! And who comes to greet me? Pinecone. And he's very happy that I'm here. This is the very beginning of the path. Usually when I turn off my car, they know someone's here to feed them. So you can see who's come to greet me. There's Sloaney and Caprice. Mr. T was here a second ago. Mr. T, let me tell you, as soon as I turned off my car, he came running. I could see the orange running through the forest. And they're kind of sitting here on the path going, come on, lady. We know you're going to feed us now. We're soaking wet after a big storm. Actually, they all look pretty dry, so that makes me happy. Look at this. And Pinecone's like, hey, let's go. This way. Come feed us. What's going on? Oh, Pinecone. Oh, he's rubbing up against my leg. Oh, Pinecone's giving me headbutts. I don't have my gloves on, so I'm not going to pet him. Because Laps called me this morning and I'm getting a new foster this afternoon. Very excited. So I'm taking all precautions. Oh, Pinecone. Just to make sure. I don't want to, you know, spread anything from cat to cat. So here I have my spider stick. When you're feeding cats in the forest, spider sticks are very important because there are lots of spider webs and you need to whack them out of the way or else you get covered in spiders' nests. All right, so I'm going to share with you my little walk through the forest. Oh, you can see the yeah, I'm going to put on gloves. I haven't quite got to there yet. I'm just standing on the side of the road here. You can see the cat scratching post. All right, guys. You can see my stick waving. Good morning, honey. And Pinecone is a little brat because he walks right in front of you. Right with me, and if I'm carrying big bags of food, I'm always afraid I'm going to step on him, but I never have, so he knows. See, he's walking with me. Whoop, Pinecone. Come on, Pinecone, move, move, move. No, Pinecone. Oh. Pinecone. Come on. Move, move. Pinecone, come on. Move. Move. See, he walks. I'm afraid I'm going to step on him. All right. We made it to the food area where we store some of our extra traps. And Pinecone's ready. He says, okay, feed me now. It looks like we've had quite a bit of rainfall. All right, Pinecone, you have to move. Thank you. Oh, look at the ball. Pinecone's like, whoa, whoa, I'm so excited. You would have no idea how much these guys eat. This is how much I'm feeding today. And I think, no, Pinecone, out of the food bucket. Out, come on, out. bucket. Ah, Pinecone. Oh, and Mr. T's here now. He's like, pets, pets, please, pets, please. And Pinecone, what are you doing? Are you climbing me? What are you doing? Okay. No, Pinecone.